Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about what we are going to talk about in this video. Basically talk about wireless charging. Wireless charging, how does it work, what's the main cause of it, what are the different function of it. All these things we are going to talk about in this video. I think there is a title about the topic. There is a little description given about it. All description are going to read about. First I'm going to read about what is the topic. As I already told you, but that topic is wireless charging. How does it work? We're going to take over the various how does the various function of wireless charging works. All these things we are going to cover. All these things we are going to cover in this video. Do you get it what I want to say? Do you get it what I want to say? So wireless charging means what is the meaning of wireless charging? I was thinking as I can say the content of the presentation that all going to cover. Was there a definite title has given on the top as you can see on it. Then there is a description about the title. What does it mean? How does it work? All this thing. The second is I think there are different types, not type like different things about the wireless charging. How does it work? Type of wireless charging, advantage, limitation, application. All these things are also going to cover about wireless charging. How does it work? Third one is 10 question regarding the wireless charging. There are different kind of not related to something one thing what are what are related to different field or something else. So shall we start with this topic? Shall we start with? I think sure we start with. I have already started around 2 minutes have passed in this video. 2 minutes has to be passed in video is about 152 seconds. But it's what have to pass in 3, 2, 1 and let's pass. Okay. Wireless charging, also known as inductive charging or cordless charging, is technology that allow electronic device to be charged without the need of physical cable connectors. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, and it has become increasingly popular in recent years. So, what does it mean by the wireless charging? Wireless charging, also known as inductive charging, is a cordless charging. Wireless charging Wireless charging, also known as inductive charging, is a cordless charging, is a technology that allow electronic device. Inductive charging or a cordless charging is a technology that allow electronic device to be charged without the need of physical cables. Yeah, it's already decided that it's wireless. Then why there is a need of physical cable? It's an obvious connector. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It operates based on the principle. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction and has become increasingly popular in the recent year. That all can say about the wireless charging. it's an it's not a device or a technology that allow electronic device. As you can see, there is a different kind of technology can be seen in the room, like there is an bandwidth fiber type where you can put it in a one common place. Through it we connect to internet through a router. Not a router required sometimes cable. Not a cable. If you are in a wireless or mobile phone, you can connect through it wirelessly through generating password or putting a password in mobile phone. Like that, wireless charging also works similar to it. All this through what want to say that technology that allow electronic device to be charged without the need of physical cables or connectors. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It is a version the principle through which it's work, and it become increasingly popular in recent years, and it become most popular in the recent year. That all I want to say. You get it? In increasing recent year that we have to see its application in most of the in moreover more we used to see the more application of it in different field like charging cables or thing. That's why it's become more popular in recent years. Like Apple introduced wireless charge. Is it introduced or not? Yeah, I think so. It introduced, and various company also introduce this kind of charge. Now next to the next slide. Now there is a question regarding it. How does it work? What does a wireless charging work? Type of wireless charging, or this to going to discover electromagnetic induction, wireless charging. I want to also study how does it work. I want to also know how does it work. Wireless charging relies on the electromagnetic field to transfer power from charging station. Relies on the electromagnetic field to transfer power from the charging station or pad to competitive device. The charging station contain a coil or wire that generate electromagnetic field that when an electric current flow through it. Electromagnetic induction. Wireless charging relies on electromagnetic field. Wireless charging relies on electromagnetic field to transfer power from wireless charging relies on electromagnetic field to transfer power from charging station or pad to compatible device. The charging station contain a coil of wire that generate electromagnetic field when electric current flow through it. Then receiver. The device to be charged also contain a coil of wire receiver coil that can pick up the electromagnetic field from the electromagnetic when two coil are collide proximity and electric current is induced in receiver coil. Conversion of electric energy. The induced current in the receiver coil is converted into electrical energy, which is then used to charge the device battery. Okay, that's how it's work. There is an electromagnetic induction that produce electric magnetic field. Okay, it's like a router that generate wireless pockets. Then there is a receiver coil. uh, I think receiver coil should be surround nearby itself so that it can capture the electromagnetic wires or those things. Device is charged also contain a coil of wire receiver coil that can pick electromagnetic field from the charging station. When the two coils are close proximity, electric current is induced in the receiver coil. Conversion of reactive. Then receiver coil receiver coil receive that. Then conversion of electric current work. The induced current in the receiver coil is converted into electric energy, which is then used to charge the device battery. Okay, that's how it works. Type of wireless charging. Inductive charging. This is most common form of wireless charging. It involves the use of coils in the both charging status and the device. Example include QI wireless charging used in a smartphone and electric toothbrush. Oh, it work on the toothbrush also. Resonance charging. Resonance based allow the greater distance between the charging status and devices work by turning the coil to resonate at some same frequency. Even it can charge from long distance. Wow. Radio frequency. Radio charging. Radio charging user radio wave transmit power to device over long distances. It is still in development and a potential application in IoT, Internet of Things devices. Now back to the now I'm back to the third point: advantage of wireless charging, and what are the limitations and challenges. There are many kind of advantages. You can charge it without the wireless. But there is electromagnetic induction also in your around surrounding yourself. It can be helpful, like if they also connect or can make contact with some other material like plates, steel plate, something like that that is nearby it, then it can be harmful for a living being, for a person who is using it nearby. Convenience. Wireless charging eliminate the need of cable and connector, making it more convenient to charge device. Yeah, it is convenient, but there is many case to case. Reduce wear and tear. The absence of physical connector reduces wear and tear on device fault, which can be extended the device's lifespan. Safety. Wireless charging system often include safety features like temperature monitoring, over voltage protection, and foreign object detection. Limitation and challenges. Efficiency. Wireless charging is typically less efficient than wire charging, and as some energy is lost as heat during the transmission process. Compatibility. Not all devices support wireless charging. There are multiple competing standards such as QI and PMA, which can lead to compatibility issues. Distance. The distance between the charging station and device is limited, usually requiring close proximity. Wireless charging infrastructure can be more expensive to implement than traditional wire. Yeah. It's one of the case it could be. It could be in a form of convenience, but in the form of creating it, it would be more expensive as it consumes. Application of wireless charging. Smartphone. Many modern smartphones support wireless charging, and wireless charging pads are widely available. Electric vehicle. Wireless charging is being evolved for electric car to make charging more convenient, particularly for home and public charging stations. Well, smartwatch and fitness tracker often use wireless charging for convenience and waterproofing. It can be one of the case. Home electronic devices like wireless headphone, speaker, and electronic toothbrush use wireless charging technology. Feature development. Researchers working on increasing the efficiency and range of wireless charging make it in more practical or broader range of applications. These include advancement in resonant and RF wireless charging technologies. All are these 6 points we have covered about it. Like what are the how does it work? As it work on the basis of there is kind of receiver, there is kind of sender, and then receiver receive it, then conversion to into electric energy. Type of wireless charging, there are different kind of inductive wire charging, resonance charging, radio frequency. All these two are now advancement of wireless charging. Advantage, not advancement. Advantage of wireless charging we have covered. Limitation and challenges. Application of wireless charging and future development. Now back to this. Now we are going to cover some questions. Question related to wireless charging. Or this thing I'll cover. What are the key difference between wireless charging and traditional wired charge method? The main difference is that wireless charging use electromagnetic field to transfer power without physical cable, where wired charging relies on physical connector and cable to transfer electricity. How does the efficiency of wireless charging? Let me search out something. I got to know. Just wait a second. I'm going to continue with it. Can you see me or not? Oh no. Tomorrow. Okay, I've searched about it. Let's continue with the topic. We're discussing about what? Like, what are the different questions related to wireless charging? What are the key difference between wireless charging and traditional wired charging? Is it there we use cable or something else like that? Main difference is like wireless charging electromagnetic field transfer without physical cable. Wireless charging how does the efficiency of wireless charging compare to the wired charging, and why it is different? Wireless charging is typically less efficient than wired charging because some energy is lost. During the electromagnetic induction process, the efficiency losses occur due to the separation of coil and conversion of energy. The safety concern associated with wireless charging are, how does it address? Safety concerns include overheating and overvoltage. Charging system often include temperature monitoring, overvoltage protection, foreign object detection, and to mitigate this risk. How does the QI wireless charge standard? How does it important to contact the wireless charge technology? QI is a widely adopted wireless charging standard that ensure compatibility between different devices and chargers. Define how specification of wireless charging, making it easier for consumer to find compatible product. Can a wireless charging work through obstacle like walls or other material? Does it require? Yeah, wireless charging is form require a detect line of sight or proximity between the charging state and the device. Obstacle like walls along the electromagnetic field and hide. Absolutely. How does a small challenge that need to be overcome from wireless charging or practically it will make a challenge include developing wireless charging infrastructure like EVs, increasing the charging efficiency and ensuring the technology is safe, convenient for EV owners. How does the resonance-based wireless charging differ from the traditional inductive charging and what are the advantages? Resonance-based wireless charging allows the greater distance between the charging external. It works the tuning, call, the resonate and frequency. Are the environmental benefit associated with wireless charging technology, especially in the context of electronic vehicle? What are the some potential future development in wireless charging technology? How does it might impact the adoption of various application? How does the wireless charging impact the design of consumer electronic? All this kind of thing have been. I think 15 minutes has passed in this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, keep hustling, keep moving.